I'm we make now dressing. Another one already, they already finished. Now this is the very hard part for the electrician. Here my electrician now. Now we are making dressing for the cable. See? We need to bring it from the downside so it will become straight. Huh? Araram siya. After hand mapi karab. Make same only, same, no problem. We need to climb up with ladder. We are on the top side. You need to hold barabar. Kalas kali like this, see the bus. No problem. Only first he need to put seam wire. After that put the big cable tie. It might be finished same like the other one, coming here and going to another side. And have this one already have pipe. Already too much experience now, my commando. Only the other one, this one already have another one downside. See, I have another one downside. This very experienced commando. Superad, see?
15 years.
This one 50 years electrician. See that on the downside? Ayun. This is Superad, 50 years electrician. Dubai, Oman, India, Bangladesh, and Qatar. No Nepal. No. This the 7 years experience. Liton Alibaba only looking. Okay, after this one, it might be coming here our MCC DB coming here on this wall, our MCC panel, and all the cable tray will come from there, from the top side, and going there. So thank you very much. See you again on YouTube. Mwah.